Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of forking a Git repository on Gitea. If you are new to Git or Gitea, don't worry, I'm going to break it down step by step so that by the end of the video, you'll be able to fork any repository easily. Let's get started. So here the task is there is a Git server utilized by the Nautilus Project teams. Recently, a new developer named John joined the team and needs to begin working on a project. To begin, he must fork an existing Git repository. Follow the below steps. Click on the Git UI icon, this one, located at the top to access the Git page. Log in to Gitea server using username John and password. Login, locate the Git repository named Sarah and fork it under John. Alright. So first things first, let's log into Gitea web UI. So we have got the link here. You can either create account in Gitea server or GitHub repository. So this is the login screen. I'm signing in using the credentials provided. Okay, now we have logged in. Now the step 2 is finding the repository to fork. Once you are in, let's go ahead and find the repository you want to fork. For example, we are looking for the repository called Sarah/Story blog. You can even do this by searching in the repository. As we have only one repository where it is directly showing, if there are multiple repositories, you can go ahead and search the exact name. Now, once you found it, just click on it. It will open the repository page. The next step is forking the repository. Now you are on the repository page, and the next thing we want to do is fork it. This is super easy. At the top right of the repository page, you should see a fork button. It typically needs to be other options like clone or watch or star, anything. Now just click on fork. So what is fork? So what it will do is, what this does is create a personal copy of the repository under your username. So you can start making changes without affecting the original project. For example, there is a music folder which you and your sibling, brother or sister are accessing, and you want to make changes to that. You want to delete few music files and you want to add your collection to it, but you don't want to make changes to the main file, right? Main music file directory or folder. So what you will do, you'll just keep a copy of it in your personal laptop, and then you'll keep adding or removing it. The same way forking helps. Now if you scroll down, you can either you make this repository private or public. You'll have that option, and then click on fork repository. So the forking is completed. Now, if you see under zone, there is a story blog which is the personal one, but this was forked from this repository. So now, after you clone, you are free to make changes and clone it to your local and make changes as you want. You can merge it. This is a great way for if you want to contribute to open source or collaborate on team projects without messing the main code base. This way it helps. So if you are working in a team and need to show your progress, make sure uh, you try in your GitHub repository, and you'll also be able to easily fork any repository. So that's it. You have successfully forked a Git repository. It's a simple process, but it's an important skill to master for collaboration and contributing to open source projects. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more DevOps and Git tips, drop any questions in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.